Raj Kumar, you're a scammer. You scammed Mr. Jackson last night with the same story.
No, sir, I'm a certified technician working to protect your system.
Don't lie. I can see you in light purple shirts and that wired headset. You caught Raj.
What? No, sir. Where are you? You can't see me.
Yes, Raj. I can see your white desk, your nervous face, and shivering hands.
That's not me. You must be watching someone else.
You're using the same fake virus alert line again. I have it all recorded.
Sir, please believe me. Your computer's filled with viruses.
Raj, your game is over. I'm sending your number to the authorities.
Sir, please don't do that.
Raj, authorities are on the way.
Sir, please listen to me. Don't do that, please.
No, I won't forgive you. You are a scammer. I'm also sending the recording to the authorities. Don't call me again. Authorities are on the way.